Exercise 12.3, question numbers 7 and 8. Question number 7. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with centers A, B, C and D. Four circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally two of the remaining three circles. Find the area of the shaded region. We have to find the area of the shaded region. Required area is equal to area of the square. Required area is equal to area of the square minus 4 quadrants like this. That means area of the square minus 1 circle. Then identify the radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? What is the radius of the circle? See, this is the radius. That means half of 14 is the radius. Half of the side is the radius. So, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. So, what we can write is area of the square 14 into 14 minus area of one circle, that means pi r square. What is r? R is 7. So, which is equal to 14 into 14 minus 22 by 7 into 7, which you can cancel. So, the remaining is 196 minus 154, which is equal to 42 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square minus area of 4 sectors. So, it is each is quadrant of a circle because it is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So, it is quadrant of a circle. So, 4 quadrants means 1 circle. So, we are subtracting this area of 1 circle from the area of a square. Next is 8th question. 8th question. A racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. Left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between two inner parallel line segments is 40 meter and they are 60 meter and they are each 106 long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge and area of the track. See, I have enlarged this area of the track, what you have to find is distance around the track along its inner edge. We have to find this distance first. Then what do you have to find? You have to find area of the track. Track means inside this. So, area of the track means only this part we have to find. We have to find area of that. So, first we can find the distance around the track in the inner edge. So, distance here, that means this distance you have to find. So, what about given, this is given as 106 and this is given as 106. So, 2 times 106. What about this? This is the circumference. So, two semicircular regions. 2 semicircular region will give 1 circular region. So, it is the circumference of one circle. So, what you have to find is GL plus LJ plus this. What about the radius of this? This is given as 60. This distance is given as 60. So, what is the radius? 30. So, it is equal to 106 plus, it is equal to 106 plus 106 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 pi r. It is 2 pi r. So, 2 into 22 by 7 into 30, which is equal to 106 plus 106 plus 1320 by 7, which is equal to 2804 divided by 7 centimeter square, which you have to find. The decimal form you have to find. So, required distance is equal to GL. The required distance is equal to GL plus HI plus these two. So, the total is 2804 divided by 7 centimeters square, and we have to find the decimal form of this. What is given next? Find the area of the track. Find the area of the track. Area of the track means we have to find this area. That clearly means area of the outer one minus area of the inner one. So, required area is equal to area of the outer part minus area of the inner part. What do you mean by outer part? Outer part means this full part. This fully we have to find. This fully. So, outer part means outers fully. Then inner part means you have to find this. Only this you have to find inside of this. So, outer part and subtracting outer minus inner will give this shaded part. So, we have to find one by one. Area of the outer part means we have to find this first, then this part also. I will use another color, dark. Area of this plus these two semicircular region will give the area of the outer part. So, area of the outer part means, I will show once again, area of this plus area of these two will give the area of the outer part. That is what we are going to do. So, what about ABDE? Area of this part is what? Area of this part is actually a rectangle. So, what is the length of the rectangle? 106. What about the breadth? This is given as 60 plus 10 plus 10. So, it is 80. 80 is the breadth. So, length is 106 and breadth is 80. So, what is area? 106 into 80. Then what about this? What about this? It is a semicircular region. What is the radius? What is the diameter? Diameter is this full BD. BD means it is again 80. So, the radius is 40. So, what we are finding one by one. Area of the outer part is equal to area of ABDE. Area of rectangle ABDE plus area of two semicircular region. So, two semicircular region means one circular region, which is equal to 106 into 80 plus 2 into, so what is area? Half pi r square. Half into pi into r is what? R is the total length, that is, this is the total length r, diameter. So, diameter is what? Diameter is 60 plus 10 plus 10, 80. So, the radius is 40 into 40 into 40. So, which is equal to 8480 plus 22 into 1600 divided by 7, which is equal to 8480 plus 35200 divided by 7. This is the first answer. It is given in meter, so meter square. This is the area of the outer region or outer part. So I'll explain this once again. Area of the outer part means this fully. This fully you have to find. That means you have to find the area of this full. That means this is actually area of this rectangle plus area of two semicircular region. So area of two semicircular region means area of one circular region. So this length is 106, this is 80 because this is 60 and this is plus, this is plus. So total is 80. So the diameter is given as 80. So the radius is 40. So this is equal to, this we can find 106 into 80 plus 2 into half pi r square. That means half pi r square 2 times means pi r square itself. That means 22 by 7 into 40 which is 35,200 divided by 7. So the total is 8,480 plus 35,200 divided by 7. You have to convert only the final answer in decimals. Don't convert in between, then the calculation will be difficult. So then area of the inner part we are going to find. Area of the inner part is equal to area of the inner part is equal to this rectangle and these two semicircular region. Area of the inner part is equal to the small rectangle plus these two semicircular region. So what is actually the length? The length is same thing, 106. What about this breadth? 60. 106 into 60. So we can write this as, so area of GLJI. It is area of GLJI rectangle plus area of two semicircular region means area of one circular region. Area of one circular region. So rectangle GLJI. So what is the length? Length is 106 and breadth is 60, which is equal to 106 into 60 plus area of one circular region is pi r square. So pi r square. What is r here? What is r here? R is diameter is this. Diameter is this means 60 itself. Diameter is 60 itself. So the radius is 30, which is equal to 106 into 60 plus 22 by 7 into 30 into 30, which is equal to 6,360 plus 19,800 by 7. So you have to find the total difference of these two. You have to find the difference of these two. It's already written there. Okay. So required area is equal to area of the outer part. What was that? 8,480 plus 35,200 divided by 7 minus 6,360 360 plus 19,800 divided by 7, which you have to do. You have to find the final answer from this.